Hello friends, so in this video I will show you how to install XAMPP on your system in order to run PHP code. So first of all, go to google.com and type XAMPP. Now click on this download link. Next, here you can see download options for various operating systems. Since this video is for Mac users, so I will recommend you to download this one. Okay, so click on download button and wait for a few seconds. So I will save it to desktop, but as you can see I've already downloaded this file, so I'm not going to download it again, but you can pause this video and continue when you are done with downloading this file. Okay, so I hope you have downloaded the file, and if you are facing any issues, then you can leave a comment describing about the error or issue. If you are a Windows user, you can find the video link in description about how to install XAMPP on Windows. So let's continue with our installation. So here I will open applications, and now I will double click on this downloaded file. Okay, let's again double click on this. Here it says it cannot be verified, so cancel it. Now what you have to do, you have to hold Control key and then click on it, and here you have to click on open. Now we have one more option, that is open, so click on it. I will type in my password and this is the installation wizard. So here we will click on next. Here it has already selected these selections, so you don't have to make any changes, so just click on next. Now it is saying that it will install this XAMPP at this location, so click on next, and here it is saying that our setup is ready for installation, so one more time click on next. It might take some time, so I will fast forward it to the end. Okay, so XAMPP has been installed on this system, so now we will click on finish to launch XAMPP. So this is XAMPP control panel. I will recommend you to pin this on your dock, so I will simply right click on this and here keep in dock. Okay, so in case if I close it and again if I want to start it from beginning, so I will simply click on this and it will ask me to enter my password, and then it will start this XAMPP control panel. Okay, so now we will click on this manage servers tab. Here you can see Apache web server is already running. So this is the server that we are going to need in order to run PHP code. So you can start and stop it from here. Okay, so let's minimize it. Now I will give you a demo about how to run PHP code. So first of all, I will open applications. In the end we have XAMPP directory. Open it, and again here we have htdocs directory. Open it, and here we are going to create a new folder and I will name it testing PHP. Okay, now I will open VS Code, and I will simply drag and drop this directory into VS Code. Okay, now create a file index.php. Okay, here I'm going to print hello world. Okay, so first angle brackets, then question marks, and in the starting we will write PHP, and with the help of echo I will print hello world. Okay, let's save this file. Now we will open browser. Here in the URL I will type localhost, then /, and after /, I will type the name of directory that we have created, testing PHP, and I will hit enter key. Here you can see hello world has been printed. So it means our PHP code is working fine. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.